Hi, happy morning. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In today's video, we are going to see the topic web hosting technology in the subject web design. First, let you know what is meant by web hosting. Web hosting is an online service in order to visualize our website through online internet. We are going to use web hosting service. It's none other than online service. So in that we have some kind of technology encompasses a range of hardware as well as software solutions designed to store as well as serve the websites and web applications to users over the internet. With the help of internet, we can able to access our web application. Some kind of key features are available under web hosting technology as well as services. First, let you know what is meant by server hardware. Web hosting typically relies on specialized servers optimized for hosting websites. These servers may include we in last lecture series and all we used to study what is meant by we studied different kinds of web hosting, right? So in that we have dedicated web hosting as well as cloud web hosting. So likewise, server hardware is also available. It's none other than dedicated server. Dedicated server is helps to hosting a single website or multiple websites. We can share over the single server by multiple user. Next thing is virtual private server. VPS server is virtualized. It's like a private server, but in single server we are going to create one virtual server. So that's what that's going to share physical server resource among the multiple virtual instances. And another important server is none other than cloud servers. Virtual servers provision as well as managed on cloud infrastructure, offering scalability as well as flexibility. Next, operating system. Web hosting provides some kind of operating system like Windows, Linux. Common choices Windows as well as Linux. Some popular web hosting technologies like Linux based hosting, Windows based hosting. It may differ. Linux based hosting means we have some kind of operating system such as Ubuntu, CentOS as well as Debian, along with software like Apache or Ginsex. And Windows based hosting relies on Windows Server operating system. Web server software is responsible for processing incoming requests from web browser as well as serving web pages and content. Common web server software such as Apache server as well as Ginsex, Microsoft Internet Information Services, Apache HTTP server and open source web server. Widely, most probably we used in Linux based hosting environments. As well as Ginsex, a lightweight high performance web server known for mainly scalability as well as efficient handling purpose. We are focusing on Ginsex. And another important service is Microsoft Internet Information Services, developed by Microsoft for Windows based hosting environment. Next, database management systems. Many collection of data we are going to store in that particular area. That's what we used to call as a database. Many websites rely on database systems in order to store as well as managing dynamic content. User data as well as other important informations can stored in database system, or we used to call as a web. We have many DBMS, database management systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server. MySQL is open source relational database management system commonly used in web application as well as including content management system like WordPress. We are focusing on MySQL database. PostgreSQL, another open source relational database system known mainly for robust features, user friendly as well as easy to understand. So that's what we focus on, PostgreSQL. And Microsoft SQL Server, it's a commercial relational database management system developed by Microsoft, often used with Windows based hosting environment. And at the same time, web hosting technologies, which includes web browsers, browser compatibility is very important features among choosing the web hosting. So these are the important web technology features we have to focus on. Depends upon the websites what we are developing. So based on that, we have to choose over the technology and we have to do appropriately. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank